Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I would like to share latest job openings in Tuticorin location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job notification for Financial Advisor and Chief Accounts Officer position from Vivo Chidambanar Port Trust. So it is for Tuticorin location, Tamil Nadu. So only one vacancy is available for this post and they are going to offer a salary range between 1 lakh to 2 lakh 60,000 rupees per month for this position, and they are looking for 15 to 2 years of fresher experienced candidates to apply for this position, and the education qualification will be member of ICAI, and it is for Tuticorin location, and last date for application process is 3rd May 2021. Interested candidates, you can check here with the selection procedure, and for more detailed information like application procedure and selection procedure and other further details about this job opening, you can visit this website link provided here, that is https://www.vivociport.gov.in/applications.aspx. Next, there is a job vacancy for visual designer position from TechDo UX Design for Tuticorin location, and they are going to offer a salary for this person is 12,500 rupees per month. And so coming to skill set, you should have knowledge on Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator and Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere, and also other creative Adobe products. So it is a full-time job. Fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@techtube.com. Next, there is a job opening for Junior Relationship Officer position for Tuticorin district. It is from Muthoot Finance. So coming to job description, canvassing and sourcing of new customers to increase gold loan business, revenue generations through cross-selling products and interest collection, maintain good relationships with the clients so that the business can maximize the value of those relationships, and also customer relationship and follow-up, maintenance of important registers and daily reports. You need to handle cash management and accounting, direct marketing of cross-selling products at branches for insurance and mutual fund or personal loan or home loan and other allied products. So this will be the job description. You please go through it once. So if you are apply to this position, you can visit this website link, that is https://www.muthootfinance.com/careers. Next, there is a job opening for Collection Associate Cross-Sell position from HDB Financial Services for Tuticorin location. So, coming to roles and responsibilities, you should be responsible for collection efficiency and timely manner, and should be responsible for effective cost management and also understanding and managing healthy portfolio. And you should be a graduate, and 3 to 4 years of experience is required to apply for this position. And if we consider here, the key functions will be taking care of collection and recovery in consumer durable portfolio, handling individual collection portfolio, updating visit trials and money collection details on mobile app, 100% visit on all cases and tracking asset utilization and availability, managing daily and weekly targets as to facilitate the monthly targets, ensuring adherence to processes, compliance and audit related activities, and no delay in deposition. So these are the key functions. You please go through with the information provided here. So if you want to apply for this position and to know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit this website link provided here, that is https://www.hdbfs.com/careers. Next, there is a job opening for relationship executive position from Quest Corp Limited. So they are going to offer a salary range between 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So they are hiring for relationship executive Quest Corp Limited. So this company is hiring for this position, and for this position, freshers and as well as experienced candidates, I mean 5 years of experienced candidates are eligible. Qualification will be any degree and diploma. So you should know languages like Tamil and English. So both the male and female candidates are eligible to apply for this position. Working days will be 6 days per week. So interested candidates, for further details about this job opening, you can visit this website link provided here, that is https://www.questcorp.com/careers/. Next, there is a job vacancy for customer relationship officer for Toothkodi location. It is from Quest Corp Limited. So they are going to offer a salary range between 12,000 to 16,000 rupees per month. So fresher candidates are also eligible, and as well as 5 years of experience is also required. So any degree candidates are eligible. So you should know languages like Tamil and English. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this position. So 6 days per week. So these are the working days. Sunday is a holiday. So it is for Nagarcoil location. So for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for RM ECG position from HDFC Bank. It is for Tuticorin location. So coming to job description, portfolio management to achieve over all business targets on values and profitability for the specific ECG customers. Monthly review to be done with various product groups and supervisors who support the RM portfolio, and other cross-function teams to ensure better product penetration. And you need to keep a check on the performance of accounts and overall portfolio. And portfolio review and remedial management includes managing exits, line reductions, recovery and restructuring of exposures, management of stress and critical accounts, and also improvement on yield for the bank so that the portfolio has a strong return on capital or a portfolio level. So this will be the job description. You please go through it once. And if you want to apply for this position and to know more detailed information, you can visit this official website link, that is https://hdfcbankcareers.hirealchemy.com hirealchemy.com. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.